now that you understand NFTs, we're going to go into the next one. What is Ethereum? Okay, Ethereum is the blockchain protocol that MicroBuddies is built on, and its founder is Vitalik Buterin. And what the currency that uses Ethereum, one of the currencies that use Ethereum blockchain is ETH, okay? And so it's also called Ether or ETH. And you need ETH in order to buy a MicroBuddy, or you need ETH in order to transact on the Ethereum blockchain. But you also need something called gas. Gas? Yes, gas. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency that is mined by miners. These miners charge a fee called gas in order to make the network go. They're called network fees, okay? And these network fees execute the smart contracts of Ethereum. A smart contract might sound kind of crazy, but all it is a very simple if-then. So if you put this money up, then you will receive this in return, right? Parents use this, teachers use this all the time. If you pick up your toys, then you get something to motivate you to pick up the toys, right? So in this case, you're putting up money and you're getting a token that will be burnt in order to get this NFT, MetaMask. Okay, so now when we're on the MicroBuddy site, we see, oh, look at this. It says connect wallet. Oh, what do I do? Here's what you do. I want to get one of these guys. Look at how cute they are. But remember, I told you the backstory. It's evil. That's a water bear. Those are really rare. All right. So I'm going to select Connect Wallet. Okay, so when you click on the button that says Connect Wallet, you need MetaMask, and MetaMask is just a wallet. Well, it's a wallet, and it's also a an add-on on Chrome that you could use to go on the internet with privacy, which is something that is important. So, with that said, so first what you're going to do is you're going to go to metamask.io, which I was just at. Let me see if I can go back to it actually. Okay. All right, so if you go to metamask.io, this is what MetaMask looks like, right? Move this out of the way. So it's a crypto and wallet gateway for blockchain applications, right? And you can keep looking through here. You can buy, store, send, and swap tokens all on MetaMask. And you can explore different blockchain apps. And there's lots of great tutorials on here. And then you can watch even this little video here. And these are all the different applications, or some of the different applications that you can use for MetaMask. Okay, so I've already pushed the download button. When you push the download and it says new to MetaMask, okay, do you already have a seed phrase? And that's part of the wallet, which I'll talk about in just a second. Or, so no, I already have a seed phrase. I'm going to import that, right? Or this one says, I'm new to MetaMask, right? I need to make a new wallet. So we're going to go to create a new wallet in case this is what this one video is for. All right. Very important information now. Very, very, very important. Okay. This is why my daughter actually hasn't had her own MetaMask wallet just yet, because if you lose your password, if you lose your key phrase, your seed phrase, your stuff's lost. So it's always best to have someone who is familiar with blockchain, or to do your own research, right, on how to best store your private keys. All right, with that said, you see that MetaMask would like to gather usage data, so I always say no thanks, because I'm a data privacy person. Okay, so it's going to ask me what my password is. Okay, so I'm going to pause that. Okay, so I put a password in. Okay, and then I'm going to say, yep, I agree to your terms and conditions, and boom. Okay, now what I would do in this case is I would click here to reveal these secret words. Now, these secret words are really important. This is the seed phrase. This is how you restore your wallet if, for some reason, you don't have access to it. All you need is these 12 words, okay? So this is a dummy wallet, so I am just going to show you what they are and the next step. So I'm going to go here, and it says, oh, look at this. Okay, so you see these are your keywords or your seed phrase, right? Dentist, bid, size, fantasy, arrest, clinic, picnic, stock, rock, collect, measure, split. Okay, so in order to make sure that I understand my seed phrase, MetaMask asked you to go back and double check that, right? So I told you you're writing this down in a safe spot, whatever makes you feel the safest. There's many videos on that, and I can link some of the great ones below. And sometimes there's like products where you can like actually burn this in metal. There's all sorts of different things that crypto people have used to keep their seed phrase safe. So with that said, I'm going to go on to that, and here you're going to have this, you see how you have this little, like it's almost like a game. So you're going to go through and you're going to go look at your, where you wrote down your things. I wrote down this thing. This is only a temporary one, right? So dentist, and then bid, and then size, fantasy. So you're going to do them in order, right? Arrest. Where is it? Goes, let's see, clinic, picnic. Maybe I should have written them a little bigger. Stock, rack, collect, measure, split. Collect, measure, split. Okay, so now that I've done that, right, I should, confirm, looking for that confirm button. Okay, and now you get this, and it says, congratulations, save a backup in multiple places. Okay, never share your key phrase with anyone, and be careful of phishing. So some people might ask for it in an email or something, that no one ever legitimately would ask for that. So never, ever, ever give it that, right? So be careful of phishing, and if you need to back up your seed phrase again, you can find it in the settings, and then you go to security, okay? If you have any questions, they have some support on their community. You can see where it says buy, so buy. And so I can continue with a wire account, or I can directly deposit Ether from any other crypto account, okay? If you do this on your phone, it'll say Apple Pay, or if you want to add a bank card. Okay, so then what I did was I just clicked next, and I have this. This is my #1 account, ETH. You can see I have 0 in here, so there's no reason to phish me or hack me, or try to spearfish me or anything like that, because this is just for informational purposes. And so what you would do is when you're ready to buy, you would, and there was a connection for mobile, so you can just do it right with your Apple Pay, I think it's called.